Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to lock header and footer in Microsoft Word 2016. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to lock header and footer in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Headers option and choose Header. Then write anything on this header option. Then we want to lock this header, click the close header and footer, and we can see here we lock this header. Then go to the Insert menu and lock a footer. Now we can see here we lock header and footer very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.